Hi there, in this video I will show you how to convert photo to PDF with the help of your iPhone 15. Let's get started. And first of all, we just need to select a photo. For this I'm gonna open gallery and let's choose this one for example. After, tap this share icon and select to share to files. Great, now we just need to tap save and now open this files application. So here is my photo. And the next step, click on this three dots, then select the photo you want to convert to PDF and then choose these three dots again, and after this you will see this create PDF option. Select it and wait a couple of seconds till it will be creating. So here it is. As you can see, it takes a little bit more of a space, but that's okay. Here is how it looks. If you tap this arrow, you will see that this document is saved here as PDF. And that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.